Hello guys, in this second video, second tutorial, we're gonna do the previous tutorial exactly, but using another more convenient, easier method. So in the previous tutorial, we have two inputs A and B, like this circuit in here, and we to have the combination 00011011, we used these like switches with VCC to have this combination. For example, if we want B to be 0, we have to close the switch. If we want B to be 1, we have to open the switch. So for each case, from the 4 cases that we have, 0001, 1011, we have to do this manually each time. There is, fortunately, in Multisim, a much easier way, which using something called logic converter. It's like a Multisim embedded feature that you can use, and it's gonna do automatically the 4 cases for you without any need for a VCC or a switch or like a switch like that. Okay, so where is this logic converter, which is like the our magic tool? It's in here on the left side. This menu, I believe it's called instrument toolbar or something like that. So here is the logic. Whenever you hover over any of these icons, it's gonna give you the name of it because they are so very small. If you have an idea how to make it bigger, please let me know. I don't know. Anyways, so this is the logic converter in here. Just click. It's gonna appear. Just take it here. Okay, that's it. Now we don't need the VCC, the resistors. We don't need the ground. We don't need all of that basically. Okay, you don't have to remove them. Just remove the connection like that. And we don't even need the indicator anymore. Just remove the connections. If you wanna just remove them all like that, just choose all of them. Just be sure that the inverter is not one of them, and just hit delete if you want. Okay. Okay, so you see, guys, the two left pins of this logic converter connect them to the inputs that you have, like that. So this is the first input in here. I'm going to connect it to A, and the second one to B, to the second top input of the AND gate. Okay, then the rightmost, I'm sorry, pin connected to the output of the AND gate. That's it. We have done it. Okay, we just need now to simulate. Okay, so what you do, you just hit the start simulation button just once, then stop it again. That's it. Okay, then we open that guy and we click on the conversions. And oh yeah, that's it. So if you look, guys, this is a truth table here. Okay, with all the 4 combinations and what was the output for each one. And if you recall, guys, from the last like video, the previous video, the only case in which the output was 1, in which the indicator was giving light, was the second case here, which is A is 0 and B is 1. And that's, as you see here, guys, the only case that gives 1. Okay. That's it, guys. So this is basically the logic converter. It's very, very convenient way to do like simulation for the logic circuits. Thank you very much, and see you in another video. Bye bye.